Hey everyone, want to use Clearpay in store for your purchases? Here's a quick guide to get you started. First of all, open the Clearpay app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, download it and sign up. It's free and super easy. Next, tap on the In-Store tab in the app. This will generate a virtual Clearpay card linked to your account and add the Clearpay card to your digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay for easy access. Don't worry, this doesn't affect your existing payment plan. At checkout, simply select your digital wallet, tap your phone on the card reader, and you are good to go. Clearpay will split your payment into 4 easy installments just like online. And that's it. Shop now, pay later, and make every in-store purchase stress-free with Clearpay. Give it a try today. Thanks for watching.